Today we're at our Greenhous DAF Wolverhampton site, and we also have an additional 4 sites in Tamworth, Birmingham, Telford and Shrewsbury, operating throughout the West Midlands and Shropshire. Some of the functions we have at our Wolverhampton site include our sales centre, where all vehicles are PDI'd on site. We have our service department, where we operate from Monday to Saturday, 24 hours a day, providing repairs and maintenance to customer vehicles. We also have our parts department, used sales department and tacho calibration bay. In addition, we're able to carry out Class 4, 5 and 7 MOTs and have an extensive ATF lane at Wolverhampton, which allows us to test vehicles 5 days a week. Customers can decide on their level of service, with the possibility to extend this to trailer and construction equipment also, ensuring a perfectly maintained fleet with maximum uptime and vehicle availability. Various repair and maintenance options are available and can be tailored to suit. As well as supplying DAF parts, we also provide over 80,000 TRP parts for all makes of trucks, trailers, vans, tail lifts and bodies, including workshop consumables. We offer parts deliveries up to 6 times a day from this location, and we have 9 new vans, making 25 in total, to carry out our high-level delivery service. We have £4.2 million worth in part stock holding available the same day, with knowledgeable employees available to provide customers with the right part quickly and efficiently. We recently carried out our customer satisfaction survey for our Wolverhampton site, and customers can be confident that they will receive a great service. As a dealership, when we do close at 1 PM on a Saturday, we are still available through DAF Aid, both parts and service, to get vehicles back on the road in a timely manner. Many members of staff have been with us over 25 years, which is a fantastic accolade for Greenhous, not only as an employer and our ethos, but also the knowledge and service our employees are able to offer, something which we are very proud of.